How to record long video on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can record long video on Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you will need to have your Snapchat updated. So head over to your app store and search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, if you see an update button, instead of the open button right here, tap on the update button to update it to the latest version. After doing that, you can open up your Snapchat, and after you're on your Snapchat's camera, you will see this drop down button on the right hand side, this one right here. Tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see a director mode. Tap on director mode, and after you tap on it, you can now take long videos. Now you can start recording video by tapping on this button right here. Tap on it and start recording your video. Now this will allow you to take videos up to 2 minutes long, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you record long video on Snapchat. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more.